Hello, my name is Ricky. The topic of today's video is technology and the common law. In today's world, modern technologies are evolving rapidly, bringing with them a growing number of legal challenges. This raises an important question. Can the law keep up with the pace of technological change? In this video, I will use the classic story of the tortoise and the hare as a metaphor to explore this topic. However, we won't focus on the part where the tortoise wins, at least not today. In our metaphor, the hare, which dashes ahead quickly, represents technology. The tortoise, slow and steady, represents the common law. Just like in the original fable, the development of common law is widely seen as slower than the pace of technological advancement. But why is that? What makes the common law so slow? Tortoises are often slow because of the heavy shells they carry. So, what is the shell that weighs down the common law? First, one of the first rules of common law is to respond to changes in societies, and technology is a major driver of those changes. In other words, the law often reacts after technology creates new issues. It is designed to follow, not to lead. Second, the development speeds of technology and the law are vastly different. From the invention of the first light bulb to the iPhone 16, it took about 200 years. In contrast, it took more than 600 years for our legal systems to evolve, from burning witches to drafting the first constitution in Australia. Finally, the common law must uphold legal consistency, unlike technology, which thrives on constant innovations. The law must remain stable and coherent. Every new case or piece of legislation must align with past precedents and remain within constitutional boundaries. Now that we have identified what slows down the common law, some might wonder, why not just speed things up and leave these short elements behind? So, if the tortoise could throw away its heavy shell, would not it be able to run faster? And the same for the common law? Well, just like the tortoise shell is not just a burden, but also a protection. The same goes for the elements that slow the law. They are not obstacles. They are parts of what makes the law reliable. The common law evolves cautiously and consistently to create rules that are predictable and trustworthy. Speeding up too much could actually undermine its legitimacy. If the common law abandoned those essential traits, it might lose its identity, becoming a strange creature full of terminologies. So, does this mean the common law is doomed to lose the race against technology? Not necessarily. We should not jump to such a hopeless conclusion. We indeed cannot ignore the heavy duty that the common law takes. Nevertheless, we can add something helpful to improve the development of the common law. For example, AI tools like LSIR, which assist in predicting criminal behavior, can make judicial decisions more efficient. Another tool, Amica, offers AI-powered dispute resolutions for family law matters, delivering faster, cheaper support to those in need. But it is important to remember, just as the common law finds ways to evolve, technology also keeps pushing forward. And integrating technology into legal systems brings its own set of challenges and ethical questions. Ultimately, the race between technology and the common law is ongoing, and the tension between them will continue to shape our society and legal systems. This is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. I will list the reference I used at the end. Bye bye.